Welcome to TeamingPro. Here's a quick overview on how to use the TeamingPro platform to grow your federal contracting business. TeamingPro will match live federal opportunities and expiring federal contracts to your company's profile. We do this in multiple ways throughout the site, as well as sending a daily email with that day's matches. Once you find an opportunity or contract you'd like to track, you can add it to your pipeline. The pipeline will check for daily government updates while you invite and build your team and move the opportunity through the pipeline buckets. The AUTOCONNECT button will coordinate and invite matching qualified companies from our growing TeamingPro network, and interested companies come back quickly. Now you and your team can coordinate and communicate easily within the TeamingPro platform, making it possible to do a lot more, much faster.